We're up to part 8 or 9, believe it or not. Whew. I wanted to have the engine running by now, but so many little things. Time is a big one. So we'll this episode we're going to cover. We're actually going to turn it over. We're going to do a bunch of welding. We're going to get the motor in. Oh, don't look, it's not really in there yet. And we're going to work on getting the new hump in. We're going to show you some shift lever design. Obviously, if we turned it over, we got some wiring on its way. So let's get to it. Did I weld them on wrong?
Yeah. Put them on backwards.
I hope not. So we got our extensions to the motor mounts. Little pieces from Send. We're going with the mild steel just because I think that's what we're welding to. We also got some chromoly ones because they're basically free because we had to pay so much minimum. But we went with these. So what we're doing, goes this way. And we're just welding it on there. We're moving that down to there. Sandbags, what the heck is that for? So when we were adjusting the pinion angle, so we had to get the engine at certain degrees compared to the floor. We had to measure the floor and make sure where the floor was at for an angle. But we had to have the car sitting at its ride height. We had to simulate the hood, coolant, the radiator, all the stuff we don't have in there yet. We just threw 3 sandbags out of there to kind of give it some load. So we do have the drive shaft measured now, and we got the pinion angle set to 3 degrees, -3 in the back and a +3 in the off the tranny. Engine hoist completely loose now. We're just afraid to move it over here again, thinking that, oh no, we gotta pull the engine out again. So I don't see a reason why we're gonna have to do that, but it's like an omen thing. Well, let's just leave it. 3 pieces of transmission mount that we have. We've got the plate, that 4-holer that goes from the mount to the tranny, and then we needed some spacers on either side. So we got the 2 different thicknesses of spacers. Hot day today. I think we're gonna get, I don't know, 95-ish, maybe 99-ish. Index is gonna be over 100, I'm sure. So, trying to keep the garage cool without air conditioning, and it's not doing too bad. We got fan number 1 right here, fan number 2, fan number 3, template. Luckily, it's going to be fairly square. My template, just kind of laid it in the corner, marked it up, ready to cut. There, I just need a little bit of massaging now, get it kind of fit into the corners better. We have a floor, just about.
need to hammer this section up just a little bit more. I think I'm going to be okay.
Progress. That's like shifting. Does your radio work?
It just needs power.
Oh, shifter. So what I ended up doing was I created 2 of these just out of copper tubing, and then I was able to play around with the angle, how close the angle needs to be down near the mounting point, how long this needs to be to get into a comfortable location. From this, then I just took some measurements off of that. What I ended up doing was created a couple of templates too, so we actually go out there from the CAD model to scale and hold it up there and see how it was going to look. We ended up with 5 holes, 3/8 of an inch thick. Of course, this is the standard mounting holes here. The car is blue, so my son kind of wanted a blue ball, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's it there. Air cleaner kind of in.
Can you guys act? Because you're going to have to show the super exciting. Excitement's over. Okay, watch this. First, maybe the second break over. One more time. Woo! She spins. We don't have the fuel pump connected yet, and a few other things.
So we got the radio in. That's a retro manufacturing product. Looks pretty good in there. Kind of matches the old one. Sounds pretty good too. So once again, that's it for this episode. Maybe we'll have the chance to hear it run next time. We'll see. My buddy says, man, we just really need some fuel and it should pop off. Okay, next time.